Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the MX1101 temperature and relative humidity data logger. The HOBO MX1101 data logger measures and transmits temperature and relative humidity data wirelessly to mobile devices via Bluetooth smart technology. The self-contained wireless data logger enables you to access data anytime from your smart device over a 30-meter range. Within the free HOBO mobile app, you can view data in graphs, check the operational status of loggers, configure alarm notifications, and share data files. In the box, there are two AAA batteries, a hook and loop Velcro stripe, a 3M command strip, and double-sided tape for mounting. FCC interference statement, this is for US and Canada, a quick start guide, and the data logger. The logger features the sounder, relative humidity and temperature sensors behind the panel, the extra large LCD screen, a mounting loop on each side, start-stop button on the left and alarm stats button on the right, 4 magnets for mounting, and the battery compartment on the rear. To get started, insert the 2 included AAA batteries. The screen will turn on. Then to get started, you need to download the HOBO mobile app. To watch an Instrument Choice scientist connect and set up the MX1101, or to speak with an Instrument Choice scientist about this logger, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.